Hello, I'm going to show how to make a first-person shooter in Part 2, the AI bot shoots the player using a line trace and behavior tree task. In Part 1, the AI bot follows the player using a behavior tree service. I created the AiBot Blackboard, the AiBot behavior tree, the AiBot character, the AiBot controller, the AiBot Get Player service, and the AiBotShootPlayer task. Right-click AiBotChar, edit, go to Content, FPS Weapon Bundle, Weapons, Meshes, AR4, drag SK_AR4 skeletal mesh here, and drag it under mesh. Highlight the SK_AR4, go to Viewport, under Parent Socket, search for hand_R. I'm going to change these settings. Now adjust the gun into the player's hand. You can always adjust it later if you don't have it exactly correct, and compile and save. Double click the SK_AR4 skeleton. You can see it doesn't have a muzzle set up. If you double click the SK_AR4X skeleton, you can see it has a muzzle set up. So highlight that and copy selected sockets. Then double click the SK_AR4 and highlight this and paste sockets and save this. I already placed the AI bot character in the scene, so I'm going to press play to test. So I think the position of the gun looks good. Right-click AiBotChar, edit. Right-click, search for custom event. I'm going to name this DoShootFx. Drag the exec pin, search for play sound at location. From the drop down, select first person template weapon fire 02. Drag off the exec pin, search for spawn emitter at location. From the drop down, select P explosion. Dragging SK_SR4. Drag off the pin, search for get socket location. Have the return value go to location here and location here. In socket name, put muzzle, M-U-Z-Z-L-E. Drag off a pin from SKAR4, search for get socket rotation. Drag this pin to rotation, and you can copy muzzle from here to here. And compile and save. Right click AiBotChar, edit. Right click, search for custom event. I'm going to name it DoShootPlayer. Enter a parameter. I'm going to name it player. Change the type to actor. Drag off the exec pin, search for DoShootFx. Drag the exec key, search for line trace by channel. Set the trace channel to camera. Right click and search for get actor location. Drag the return pin to start. Right click and search for get actor location. Drag the target pin to player and drag the return value to end. Drag the pin off the exec, search for branch, and connect return here to condition. Drag out hit and break hit result. Drag out true, search for branch. Drag out from true, search for apply damage. Enter 25 for base damage, and damage type class, enter damage type. Right click, search for Get Controller. Connect the return value to Event Instigator. Right click, search for Self, and connect to Damage Causer. Connect Hit Actor to Damaged Actor. Drag out Hit Actor, search for equal. The output goes to Condition. And drag player to the other input. Compile and save. Right click AiBotShootPlayer, edit, open full blueprint editor. Right click, search for Event Receive Execute AI. And drag off the exec pin, search for Cast to AiBotChar. Connect the controlled pawn to the object. Drag the owner controller, search for Get Blackboard. Drag the return value, search for Get Value as Object. Right click, search for Make Literal Name. Change the value to Player. Connect the return value to Key Name. Drag off the return, search for Cast to Actor. Drag the exec pin, search for DoShootPlayer. Connect the AiBotChar to target. Connect the actor to player. And on the cast to actor, convert to pure cast. Drag the exec, search for Finish Execute. Check the success box. Drag off the cast filled. Search for Finish Execute. Compile and save. Right-click the behavior tree, edit, and drag off a node, task, rotate the face BP entry, and drag off another node, task, AiBotShootPlayer, highlight rotate to face BB entry, make sure the Blackboard key is set to player, and save. I already entered the AiBot character into the scene, so I'm going to press play to test. I want to test that the AiBot character shoots the player. that's working. I'm going to test it, it rotates. It just rotated. Just rotate it again. And make sure it still follows the player, and that's working. So everything's working correctly.